this will be important. Okay, so we go to week 13. So this one here, Gerardo, is that what you're talking about? Yeah, okay. Yes, this one is required. Um, this is part of our final. So let me open that up. So this follows the book, right? So you do project capstone project 7-2. If you have the actual book, it's 432 to 434. But let me go ahead and get the book here open. All right, so the start of it is 7-2. So I'll go to read. All right, let's say, I think it was capstone projects. Let me make sure. Yeah, right. So building a packet tracer network, right? Um, is this right? Let me make sure. What did I have here? Capstone project. Okay. So I guess I messed up on that one. It should be from page 6-1. So we have to start there. You have to start there and then build out from there. And then you'll go to 8-1, then 8-2, and 8-3, right? Um, and then right hint project 8-1 static routes, right? So that's a hint, as far as the other extra credit one too. There's stuff in the books, right? Um, and then there's another hint here that you need trunk mode on switch port to the router so you can do VLANs and things. Another hint, right? For another project or lab that we just covered. So yeah, so this one is due. And let's see. All right, so it's blank. Yeah. So you build out the whole network and you'll do all the aspects of it. So and it tells you every step of the way though of what to do. What IP addresses, what exactly. So you just follow the steps. So this is 7-2. So let me go to 8-1 and 8-2. Let's see. Search this course. 8. Unit 8 read. Right. So we'll go to the capstone projects. Capstone 8.2. right? So this builds on 8.1. So right, so you know, make sure you do 8.1. Well, let's go to 8.1, right? So you go there, you're going to add these new devices to what you already had from 7.1. You know, you're going to connect all of them this way. It's going to tell you how to plug in the cards, right? Doing the subnets calculations, right? Um, you know, and how to put in the IPs. It walks you through everything. Um, and then you do 8.2, then you'll do 8.3, right? You'll learn the CLI for both the switch and the router. So we go to 8.3, right? And you keep building this network out, right? And it walks you through doing a lot of the command line interfaces. Like I told you, we'd eventually get into a lot of the command line interfaces. And this is the purpose of the VLANs, you know, and that, and even the extra credit to, you know, you learn a lot of these stuffs for the final. But yes, it is required. It is huge. It is very time consuming. It's, oops, let's get rid of that one. Where is, oh, it must have went somewhere. What happened to it? All right, let's close this. Let's go back to lessons. 13. And we are in week 12. Yes. Yeah. We are in week 12. Right. Yep. Nope. It was just asked about this one and coming up, you know, week 13, it talks about this one to start it. It's not due. So this is not due week 13 because obviously there's a lot to it, right? You have all these projects that you need to complete. So if we go here to calendar, right, it's start the final exam just so that you start working on it now because it's due here right now. Let's see here, there it is. It's due May 4th, right? So May 4th, week 16, it's due. So you really, you know, I mean, I'd start working on it now, but I recommend that you at least start working on it next week so that you have time to finish it on week 16 because there's a lot to it. Yeah. Yeah, as you saw, there's quite a lot to it, but the book walks you through a lot of it, so it's not too bad. But there's a lot of concepts in there, like I say, using the CLI, doing VLANs, you know, and things like that. It's a pretty complicated lab with a lot of moving parts, but that's why I'm giving you, you know, at least 3 weeks to get it done. But it is part of the final. Is part of the final exam grade. Any other questions on that or anything else? No? Okay. Yeah, thank you. All right. Okay, so then I will stop recording now.